First recipe that we're going to make tonight is one that is incredible for inflammation. And inflammation is one of those things that creeps up on us over time. We can be doing well, think everything is going great, and then all at once we hit a stressful moment in life and the inflammation creeps up on us. The foods that we're eating contribute to this. The amount of rest that we're getting contributes to this. And so it's really important to consume as many juices and raw living foods that help support your body's ability to combat this additional inflammation that can be causing problems. So that's what we're going to start off with tonight. The first ingredient that we're going to juice is pineapple. All right, so that's going to be an incredible component of it. Next, I've got about 6 Cosmic Crisp, organic Cosmic Crisp apples here that we're going to use. These are incredible apples. And the magic ingredients, we've got ginger here, which is incredible for inflammation and circulatory system, your immune system. So a big hunk of ginger here. And really the most important ingredient out of all of this, they're all fantastic, but we're looking at curcumin here, turmeric root, and the active ingredient curcumin. And so this is going to be a really nutritious juice that's going to help you combat those aches and pains, joint pain, wrist pain, elbow pain, knee pain, neck pain, lower back pain, hip pain, feet pain. I used to get up out of bed in the morning, and those first steps that I would take would be absolutely excruciating. And it would take through mid-morning to be able to work off these aches and pains. And so this is a situation where you can use these juices daily to support your body's ability to keep this inflammation at bay.